What if I told you that you won't have to pay for CapCut ever again? Yes, the same CapCut that everyone is using to make trending videos, professional editing, cool transitions, and effects that look amazing. Other people are paying every month just to get a few extra features, but you're about to learn the secret trick that unlocks all of that for free, forever. No trials, no hacking, no risks. Just a simple method that a lot of people don't know. Imagine this: automatic captions, background removal, 3x slow motion, the famous effects, all completely free. And this is exactly what CapCut doesn't want people to know. But today, I'm going to explain to you step by step how creators use CapCut's most powerful tools without paying a single pound or dollar. It's not a complicated process, it's very easy. But you need to watch until the end, because if you miss even one step, it might not work for you. So don't leave the video or click away. The next 2 minutes could completely change the way you edit. Let's start. The first step, open your internet browser and go to CapCut.com. Once you reach the homepage, click on the button that says Free Download. This will start downloading the CapCut version for PC, which you can install completely for free. After the download finishes, all you need to do is install the program as shown on the screen. Since I've already installed CapCut on my computer, I'll skip this part. But once you finish, open the CapCut application. As soon as it launches, the home screen will appear. Now, it's important to set where your projects will be saved. Go to Settings. Usually, you'll find them at the top right. Then go to the Drafts section. You'll find an option called Save To, followed by a file path. This shows the folder where CapCut stores your projects. You can change this to any other location on your computer where you'd like to save your work. Click Change, choose the folder, and press Save. At this point, you'll notice something. I'm not signed in to CapCut, and a banner or pop-up is asking me to subscribe to Pro. All you need to do is click on Create Project and continue without signing in. Now you'll enter the full editing interface. This is where you can start working on your video. Start by uploading the videos or photos you want to edit. Drag and drop them or use the Import button. For this tutorial, I'll make a simple 10-second video to show you how to use CapCut Pro features completely for free. These features are usually locked behind a subscription, but I'll show you the method to use them without paying anything. While I'm editing the video, I'll add some professional features like high-quality animated text, powerful transitions, and awesome effects. Once I finish editing and click Export, a message will appear saying I can't export the video because I've used Pro features. It also shows me a list of all the Pro features I used in the video and won't let me continue unless I subscribe to the paid plan. But here's the trick. There's no need to pay. Go back to the timeline and select all the elements you added, all the clips, texts, effects, and transitions. Once you select them, right-click and choose Convert to Compound Clip. This will combine all the elements into one video. Then, right-click again and choose Pre-render Compound Clip. This will only take a few seconds, and CapCut will start processing the final video. Once the processing finishes, you'll see the project name. For example, I named mine 07052. Now here's where the magic happens. Go to the folder you selected earlier for saving CapCut files. Inside that folder, you'll find another folder named something like 07052. Open it and look for a folder called Resources. Inside, you'll find a folder called Combination. Open it, and you'll find a ready video. That's the final clip with all the features you added. You can use this video anywhere, upload it, share it, or continue editing it in any other program. And the best part? You didn't pay a single penny for the paid version. So this is the easy method that many people don't know about. A simple trick that lets you use all CapCut Pro features completely for free. No sign-in, no subscription, just smart editing and a little folder navigation. Use this method, save your money, and create professional videos from your own device. And that's it. We're done. Now you know how to use all the paid CapCut tools for free. No sign-in, no subscription, just smart editing. If you found this method useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can get all the latest tricks.